Hey, what's up everybody? Travis Mills here at the Travis Mills Foundation. In our Health and Wellness Center, we were able to build an indoor pool. We have, programs all year round, and sometimes those winter days, it's nice to have an in-ground pool inside. And water is the great equalizer, so people can move around freely without their prosthetics or if they're out of their wheelchair. But there's also some safety concerns. So we have an automatic pool cover that is able to save people if they fall on it. You will not break through. And this cover is safe. It's ready for like 3 people to walk on it. And here's the thing. The people that make the cover and installed it, they want me to show off how good it can do. So I'm gonna walk out there and see how it goes. To be honest with you, I'm not sure how it's gonna be with the whole waterbed feel, but if I fall, I'll most likely get back up. And here's the thing, can I hold my breath? Yes, I can, until they save me. So, great news, I did it. I walked on water, but more importantly, it's not breaking. I'm standing here. If I fell into it, I would feel safe. But it's like I'm on a waterbed with stilts on, so I really can't catch my balance right now. I'm sorry, but look, Ma, no hands. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I did lose my balance. I did fall. Nothing broke, luckily. And I'm dry as can be, so excited to have this cover. It helps save a lot of people from falling in, and if they do fall in, there's nothing to worry about. We got them. Thumbs up. It's got the Travis Mills approval.